This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you how to basically manage your Dropbox folder on your hard drive, on your Mac. And if this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. And basically, this is a good way to save space on your hard drive. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So open up your Mac, go to the system tray or taskbar, whatever they call this thing. Click on the Dropbox icon, click on your account photo, and then click on Preferences. And what you're going to do is you're going to select Sync, and then Selective Sync, click the button that says Modify. And basically, this is the folders to see on this computer. Selected folders will live on this computer. Unselected folders will only appear on Dropbox.com. So I have all of these folders syncing to Dropbox, but you can see some of them are also syncing to my computer. And it says how much space they're using. So this one, blogging, 38 megabytes. I don't really care about that. That's not a big deal. But I'm going to find some folders, in particular ones that are associated with my company. You can see 206 gigabytes. All right, this is a huge folder, so there's a lot of data on there. So I'm going to decide what's going to be staying, what's going to be going. So I'm going to scroll down till I find a, let's see, this particular folder. This is for a book that we published, Excel in 30 Minutes, 4.2 gigabytes. So that's a large amount of space, and it's syncing everything. If I wanted to, I could deselect the whole thing and just prevent it from syncing. But maybe what I want to do is see what's being synced and what's not. So interestingly, this book has 3 editions. The old first and second edition, a folder that I created, has 3.9 gigabytes in it. And then the newer edition from about 5 or 6 years ago has much less than that. I actually don't need to sync the first and second edition. I'm going to update it. So basically, that particular folder, subfolder, old first and second edition, that's going to be removed from my hard drive. It'll still be living in Dropbox.com, but it won't be on my hard drive, and therefore it will save a lot of space. So I'm going to click Update, and it will ask you to confirm. Success. Selected folders will live on this computer. So Excel in 30 minutes, you can see it has a minus symbol next to it. So this subfolder is still syncing to this computer, but this one is no longer there, and I'm going to be getting more space. And I can keep on going through and basically decide, what I want to sync and what I don't want to sync. Here's another one. This particular book, we don't publish it anymore, so I'm going to deselect that, click Update, and that will save an additional 3 gigabytes of space on my computer. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.